Right now at 5, Wisconsin's statewide mask mandate is no longer in place. The Wisconsin Supreme Court overturned Governor Evers' mask order by a vote of 4-3. That ruling now creates a piecemeal approach to masking requirements across the state. Ben Jordan explains.
Local health departments can still issue their own mask orders like the city of Milwaukee has already done. But some worry that approach will only create confusion, especially when neighboring communities have different rules. The statewide mask mandate for indoor public spaces is now a thing of the past. Roberta Glomsky fears this could lead to another surge in coronavirus cases.
I'm worried that we're going to go back to the beginning, and I don't want to start all over.
Latoya Renfro says wearing a face covering should be a personal choice.
This pandemic has to end sometime. We can't wear our masks forever, so that's how I feel.
Wisconsin's Republican leadership had been complaining for months that Governor Evers abused his authority by continuing to issue the same emergency orders requiring masks to be worn across the state. Wisconsin's 4 conservative-leaning Supreme Court justices say that was the basis of their ruling. Justice Brian Hagedorn says the question in this case is not whether the governor acted wisely, it is whether he acted lawfully. We conclude he did not. Governor Evers responding in frustration, quote, "We still need Wisconsinites to mask up so we can beat this virus and bounce back from this pandemic." Now mask mandates will be left up to individual businesses such as restaurants and more broadly local health departments. Waukesha County says they will not be mandating masks. Here in Milwaukee County, it's a mixed bag.
If I go somewhere and it says a mask is required, I will wear my mask if a mask is required.
These 6 municipalities have their own mask mandates which will remain in place. Others, like West Allis, will not have a mandate now that the state rule has gone away.
We're going to keep masks on all of our employees to keep our employees safe, of course, and to keep our customers safe.
West Allis cheese and sausage shop owner Mark Lutz says he reached out to the health department to see how to proceed.
In the meantime, you could put a sign on your door that says masks are required. Would you do that?
If one customer does come in without a mask and West Allis states that masks aren't required and the state states that masks aren't required, will we confront that individual? I'm not sure we'll do that.
For there to be another statewide mask mandate, the Wisconsin legislature would have to approve it. Republicans who control the legislature were the ones who sued Governor Evers to have it overturned today. Reporting in downtown Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.
Ben, thank you. The Supreme Court ruled 4-3. Let's go in depth for a moment here. The website SCOStats tracks rulings made by the Wisconsin Supreme Court. Last term, a majority of opinions, 42% were actually unanimous, 7-0 votes. 26% were by today's margin, 4-3. SCOStats says Justice Brian Hagedorn was less likely to vote with the other conservative justices in those non-unanimous decisions, though that is how he did vote in today's ruling.